In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks with QuickBooks. We'll walk through creating a check in QuickBooks and then printing it onto your check stock. I'll point out what each field means, why it matters, and a few tips to avoid misprints. By the end, you'll have a properly recorded, professional-looking check in your hands. To start, open QuickBooks and look for the plus new button. Choose check from the list of options. At the top, select the bank account you're paying from. This is important because it determines which register the check hits and which check number sequence it follows. Make sure you pick the same physical checkbook you're loading in your printer so the numbers stay in sync. Enter the payee. If this is a vendor you haven't used before, you can add them on the spot so their information is saved for next time. Choose the date you want on the check. That's the date that will post to your books. In the details area, you have two ways to record what you're paying for. Use category details to assign the expense to the right account, like utilities or office supplies. If you track specific products or services, use item details instead so quantities and rates flow through. Add a clear description and confirm the amount. A short memo can help you or your vendor identify the purpose later. Before moving on, glance at the total and the bank account one more time to catch typos. When everything looks right, click Save and Print to move straight into printing. On the print screen, select Print Check. Load your pre-printed check stock into the printer, making sure it's oriented exactly as your printer requires. If your stock has stubs, confirm whether you're using standard or voucher format in the print settings so the text aligns with the boxes. For the cleanest results, print at 100% scale and turn off any fit-to-page options. If this is your first time printing checks on this printer, do a quick test on plain paper and hold it over a check to check alignment. Many setups include a print setup or alignment tool you can use to fine-tune positioning. When you're confident, click Print. If a check misprints, void it in QuickBooks and reprint so your register and check numbers stay accurate. Store printed checks securely and sign them if required by your process. That's it. Create, review, save and print, then print check. Follow these steps each time and you'll keep your records tidy and your checks looking professional.